Thailand amadi Cambodia gi marakta khut thongnaba numit humni surakbaga loinana US President Donald Trump na land lefanaba thawang lokpa hokre.
Yeah, you got me pretty good. You went totally berserk. Like,
Yes, it was just like that.
It wasn't me, it was my persona. He had a flashback to an earlier time in his life. There was fire everywhere, and I saw sheet music for Dvorak's cello concerto in B minor. His own trauma.
I think the maestro has daddy issues. You said daddy when you were in your stabbing trance.
Best kind of trance there is.
You didn't attack until Dad was proud of me. That moment, combined with the music, must have triggered your flashback and subsequent violence.
A musical genius and a psychiatry whiz? What can't this boy do?
Well, he's proud of you now, and I'm not attacking you.
What if I do this? Did you know Steve likes black licorice? How unique is that?
I don't like to tell people. I don't need the extra attention. We have to figure out what happened to the maestro and his dad and fix it. We need you to have more flashbacks.
Sounds a little dangerous for you.
Not at all. Dad'll protect me while you conduct that Dvorak piece. Then we piece together what happened to the maestro and work through it.
Piece together, like the pieces you play in an orchestra.
We piece.
Beautiful flying hook. Are we really going to go ahead with these concerts just to unlock the maestro's memories? I'm worried you're going to be mad if I kill Steve, Stan. You might even kick me out of the house.
No way, bud. Did I kick you out of the house when you scratched up my old Jerky Boys CD?
Yes.
And I'd do it again.
Ah! It was at a concert hall.
We may need to up security.
I think the shadowy figure is the maestro's dad, but I can't tell.
I wonder if Maestro's father is a famous composer like John Williams.
Yes, or maybe Hans Zimmer. Anyway.
This is our last performance of the tour. Our last chance to see who the shadowy figure is.
Hey, I almost saw the maestro's dad!
Roger, look at Steve!
This is too dangerous. We should stop.
That's a good idea.
I knew you'd abandon me! Just go and leave me here to die! They'll wake up eventually.
No, he's right, Dad. We have to finish what we started.
He lives in Berlin, he loved the symphony, and I burned down the concert hall. I have to see him. I have to apologize.
We're going to Berlin!
Guys, I don't mind if you have a party, but you gotta keep it down.
And then we'd bring the money here to this beautiful nearby hill. It doesn't have to be in the plan, but I'd really like it to be.
My only loose end, and I mean only, is in the 3 weeks we'd be waiting, someone will surely buy the rice.
We'd put it in brown rice.
The perfect plan.
So I'll say it. I think we should rob the bank.
Roger, no!
Absolutely not. It was a thought experiment. There's no point to really robbing the bank.
The plan is the point. It's perfect.
Maybe.
No.
You know.
Never.
No way.
We're not the kind of people that rob banks. And even though we'd definitely get away with it, we'd always be haunted by what we'd done.
Would it change your mind if I told you I've been thinking of us as the Three Musketeers?
A bank robbed by a cake Insta shopper covered in dye. Police say it was an ingenious plan, but with the money all blasted up and inky, it looks like these thieves won't get to have their cake and steal it too.
Nobody beats the boys in blue.
I can't believe you robbed the bank without me. But with Stan to do the phone and Francine to do the bathroom switch, it must have been... That's why no one wanted to do it when I asked. You'd already done it.
That's why you asked us to do it, so we wouldn't think you'd already done it.
That's why he gave us coffee. He poisoned the coffee.
I didn't poison the coffee, and I didn't do the robbery.
Me neither.
Me neither.
But we all heard the news. That was the first half of our plan.
Which leaves the second half. How about we go down to the store right now? Nothing. So you moved it, huh? Pretty cute, Stan and/or Francine. You hid it in the store somewhere, just waiting out the die pack.
Stop acting like it wasn't you. It's always you. Unless it was you, my treacherous queen.
I'm the only one I know isn't lying.
Isn't lying about what?
Isn't lying about my age. I'm 17, so I can't be tried as an adult. Who are you?
Makes good sense.
So you think you have the money? Be quiet, Roger. You'd like that, wouldn't you, you snake? Just saying not everything's what it seems in this world. Money being real wise.
Roger, that was stupid, goading Turlington like that.
I'm innocent and I've nothing to fear.
I didn't do it, but we've got a whiteboard with the perfect plan on it.
And I don't want the cops involved, because when I figure out which one of you did this, I'm gonna...
Yeah, I have lots of things to hide. I'm a real sick ticket, but I didn't do this. Search away.
You weren't kidding, Roger. I saw some truly horrifying things, but nothing to link you to the robbery.
And you two checked out. Underwear all smells nice and clean.
Is there a possibility that maybe none of us did it?
Oh, another team of absolute hottie geniuses figured out the same perfect robbery? Unlikely.
Someone could place this board in case Turlington comes poking around.
The Three Musketeers again! A burner phone? Snakes!
Betraying snakes!
I'm taking this phone to Turlington right now! How do you like that?
I'm absolutely gaga about it!
It's not my phone, so I like it a lot!
Don't test me. Just come clean now. This is your last hum once. Hosed. This phone is full of evidence. Calls to the bakery and store intercom, the Insta-shopper order, videos of us... Wait, what? Liflafluvia. It'll wipe our memories for this whole day. If we do the job right now, during this window, Stan won't be haunted by any pesky guilt, and none of us will be witnesses to what we did. That's turning the perfect heist into the perfect heist! All right, Stan, you place the...
You gotta learn to fold it with one hand so you can hold your 40 in the other.
That was lucky. Your pizza was on the ground and no seagulls tried to grab it. There actually aren't any seagulls. That's kind of weird, right?
Jesus, Haley. You really can't help but look for problems, can you? No seagulls is a good thing. Look, a birdless boardwalk is the dream. Just accept something good is happening. Mom, toss your pizza. See how good it feels. Or can you not handle Team Good Vibes?
Of course I can. Does this answer your question?
Oh, wow. Bad.
Nuh-uh, I can still eat it. I like it Sandy style.
Knew before we did. A tsunami is coming.
I wonder where all them birds went anyway.
It'd be foolish not to carbo load before my big hike. You got this, Al. Don't panic. Don't panic. Panic!
I haven't said a word in 3 hours. There we go! I'm back in the game!
Apparently when we put those extra deep, extra safe pilings 2 miles into the ground, we accidentally hit a fault line. That line runs out under the ocean, where it triggered an earthquake, creating a tidal wave that's heading right at us.
Great. And, I shouldn't be losing my shit because...
This would only be a big deal if it wasn't total needless panic, because everything's gonna be totally fine.
Totally fine, you say?
Totally fine.
Oh, hey, Mom! I'm loving this vibe. But, can I talk to you about something I just saw real quick?
This sounds like boardwalk gossip. Great vibes. Haley, thanks for making such an effort to be cool today. I appreciate it. Anyway, what's
for it? I don't want to ruin this moment with my mom.
Wait, you didn't say that last part before.
Yeah, we're working through some recent stuff.
Gotcha.
Come on! I actually gotta go. Bye!
Give me the gossip!
The gossip? I just saw a bunch of hot lifeguards.
Oh my god, that is good gossip! Lifeguards are so hot!
Bar, I want my 4 Jaeger bombs sitting in a regular-sized chair directly across from you, like a gentleman.
That's messed up, man.
Memphis, you're famous. Go demand a table and bring us with you.
I'm sorry. I don't eat.
Use your celebrity.
No.
Oh, you're boning us, dude.
Wow, these drinks are not cheap. Oh, forgot my credit card. How much cash you got on you?
Nada, dog. I figured you'd cover this.
Still want the next table.
Roger, grab the tablecloth and put it over the podium. We can eat here.
I wouldn't call any of them my girlfriend, per se, but all high-potential situations, you know? Does that answer your question? Are you hungry? We can't go far, but there's a nacho stand right there.
No.
He's a sucking motherfucking dipshit stinky pants. I'll even take the first bite, just to make sure.
Okay.
Atta boy! I may also grab a pretzel, or has Tommy been running his mouth about those too? Noah? Noah? Noah! Noah! Oh, thank God.
I hate going to bed then having to get up all groggy.
Yeah.
I totally agree.
No, we leave at dawn. Dawn is when you leave to climb a mountain. Jeff?
Vicente knows my name.
Ow! Hey, Vicente, are you getting a lot of rocks in your sandals? Yeah, me neither.
I'm so annoyed your dumb father's...
Hey, I'm thirsty. Did anybody bring any water?
Not to worry. Chimborazo has many treats for travelers. But watch out, because sometimes the travelers become the treats.
Whoa! Can I keep this knife?
No.
I prefer grapefruit LaCroix.
Because of the volcano.
Chimborazo, she is a dangerous slut. Jeff, watch out! Sorry, I thought that tree behind you was a monster.
Can I have this knife?
No, man. It's not like free knife day.
I recently guided an artist from Pixar up the mountain. He was thinking of setting the next Pixar movie on Chimborazo. About a country alpaca that moves down the mountains and gets bullied by a bunch of mean city alpacas.
Hello, is Merelda. Klaus Heisler. I need to cancel all 7 of the Zorb sessions that I booked.
I'm sorry. You booked our non-refundable Zorb experiences. I can offer you a credit. You could use it for a helicopter tour or a...
Look, hon, you're not dealing with some tourist schmuck. I'm a travel agent.
You seem like a tourist schmuck.
I just told you I wasn't one of...
Feel like humiliating a fish today.
Joke's on you. Being humiliated by a beautiful woman is a huge turn-on for me.
Well, sure, this view is a little magnificent, I guess.
Yeah, and I have to say, I didn't mind that meadow back there that smelled like fresh waffles.
Family meeting right now. I know what's happening. You're starting to have a good time. Well, knock it off. Climbing Everest was the capiche.
Ooh, I could go for a capiche right now.
Hungry? The mountain she provides.
This whole mountain is edible. Nope, that's just dirt.
How is it? Bad, right?
Yeah. Unless you're into perfectly cooked and seasoned meat that melts in your mouth.
Sander, too. That was just a little joke nobody got. I love you.
Fear not! The mountain! She will provide us shelter from the passing storm!
Oh, yes, Mother Mountain. She will nestle us in the cleavage of her rock-hard tits.
Inside a crystal geo that has grown within the mountain for eons. Some call this the heart of Chimborazo.
I have to admit, I feel a little good.
It is believed that these crystals have healing powers. It's how I've managed to stay in such good shape, even though I am 97 years old.
Okay, I can't fight it anymore. I'm still very mad at him. I mean, pretty mad. I think. I don't know. I feel so amazing in this cave.
Come, the rain has passed. We must go. Too long in here, you turn into a baby.
Dad!
Look who decided to climb the crappy mountain that no one likes to find the dad that everyone hates.
You're alive! But you look terrible.
This mountain is hell.
Your sneakers, now with real rubber.
Ah! If you're gonna kill me, pass along my funeral request to my friend Snot. Tell him, open casket, eyes wide, huge smile. Oh, thank God it's you!
You're too kind, Steve. I wish everyone was as happy to have me around as you. I guess someone formally complained about me. The superintendent wants to meet with me. I say investigate.
Some guys broke in, and they're gonna blow up the school.
Let them. Screw this place. Oh, man, I love it here.
This'll be a great talk for later. They're looking for me. We gotta go.
It's not fair. I just finally fundraised enough money to trick out my office. You loving these hydraulics? You're luckier with me. No one knows the school like I do.
I should call the police. Damn, no service down here.
Oh, God forbid. A kid goes 5 minutes without his phone.
I'm trying to save the school. Can't believe my fate's in your crazy-ass hands.
They're so crazy, they just might work. Hey, they worked!
They find us. And what about the school blowing up?
We're fine. This is my panic room, and it's bomb-proof. Designed it myself. Even built a fireplace. Brick. Just relax, Smith. Can I get you a drink? Are you a brandy kid? Oh, hey, you mind taking your shoes off?
You destroyed the library with foam, and you want me to take off my shoes? This is such bullshit. Look at all...
Wrong as you.
Ah! Toad Button found us!
Did you say Toad Button?
Yeah, what a stupid name.
Well, could be cute on the right guy. Is this who was chasing you?
That's him! Damn, he's aged very well. Everything always works out for the bad boys.
I should have known they'd be back.
Of course they're your former students. You've been terrorizing kids for 30 years.
Oh, man, people got so hammered at that prom. At least I did.
The chimney's our only way out!
Yes, into the Christmas tunnel.
The gym?
Dang, I got something in my eye. Do you see anything?
Ah! Gym teachers have lung disease!
Well, no one seemed to mind when it smoked out all the pigeons. Yep, those are Toad Button's buddies.
Yeah, it's beautiful they stayed in touch, but how are we getting out of here?
Don't worry, there's gotta be something in my bag that can help us. Useful, 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 but not for this. A cord? I don't remember packing it. Did you?
We can get out there!
Okay, that's the last of the explosives. Now we just wait until that bastard Lewis shows up in the morning so he can watch it happen.
Are you flirting with me, Smith?
No, I'm flirting with death, and it sounds like they're here because of you.
That's why I'm... Oh, la liquid with me,
Dad?
Don't you see, Rick? Jerry was just bait. The two of you, you're a package deal.
What the hell are you talking about?
You think Jerry is lame and you're cool. But the lamest thing of all is thinking that. The two of you combined is what we call the lamest thing ever.
Oh, no.
Whoa, is that...
The crypt of the New World. The treasure you are after is this country's oldest secret. One disguised by centuries of Thanksgiving folklore.
Is that a turkey dinosaur?
America's original rulers, merciless beasts grazing on the flesh of cowering humans. Then, in the 15th century, a vessel crashed. Two vessels, really. On board, our saviors. Sanchez, pull that lever the same time I do.
Shit, they're gonna fight!
No, wait, they love each other.
They were at war when they arrived, but they united over their hatred of turkeys. And what they love even more than each other is kicking turkey butt. Gentlemen, Baruka Dartinin Yote.
Pretty fun boat. Fun people. That's great, not being asked why I can talk. I'm a talking cat, but who cares why is my point. Well, nice talking to you. For no reason.
Alright, that was a good one. But do you know what a peanut butter gargoyle is?
Nah, what's that?
Dude, it's when you take the chick, put her feet on a cathedral...
Sorry to interrupt, guys. Just want to clarify. Are these real sex positions? Because if they are, how are they gratifying to the male at all? And if the goal is to make something up, why not make up something funnier? I'm asking too many questions, aren't I? How ironic.
Get out of Florida, you overthinking
Why don't you go overthink
cat?
Okay, so what are we doing?
That book has everything they need to create snake time travel. And they're getting it in 1985, Snake Time. Now they're gonna do it so early that it won't involve us. And they're gonna be even stupider with it.
Huh, and then what?
We're removing ourselves from this sloppy, fucked up story and letting snake time travel eat its own tail.
And always has been. Now.
Whoa! Careful, Morty. Stay clear of his retcon range until he agrees to help us.
Rick, you've always trusted me.
Nice try. Here's how it's gonna work. You're gonna make it so Morty and I never came here. Once that's always been the case, I'll free you remotely with this.
What is my purpose?
To wait until I tell you to pull the lever.
You are fucking kidding me.
If you don't free me right now, Rick, I can make very, very bad things always have been the case for you.
Is that a threat, you fuck? You can rot in there.
Rick?
You know what, Rhett? Forget what I said. We've always been friends.
Good one.
Oh, easy, Rhett. Don't forget that coffee mug I gave you.
You always were able to be killed with coffee.
New plan. Run. Again.
The twist being...
You were born without bones.
See you never.
There's never been anything outside this fortress.
God damn it!
And this fortress
has always been an orange.
I thought maybe you were pussying out. What the fuck? Oh, the air's getting thin.
Well, looks like there's a new bully in town. Lucky for us, he just made bullying the new bullying. Bully him!
We've got a Kira-type situation going on behind the mall. Over.
Dying with Jessica.
What the hell?
Shield me from the law!
Yes, sir!
Stand down! Look at me!
unstoppable science fiction boy is attacking our nation's final line of defense. Will we all fall to his deadly touch?
But first, something silly.
What do you mean, but first? I already said up next. You always do this.
I don't always do shit. Don't gaslight me.
Gaslighting doesn't exist. You made it up because you're fucked.
Well, well, well.
Morning, Frank.
Morning? What is that supposed to mean? Are you making fun of me? Are you trying to say my family's poor?
Oh, jeez, Frank. I don't know if a knife is necessary. I mean, you know, you kind of had things handled without it.
You're telling me how to bully now? Big mistake, Morty. Now I'm gonna cut you.
What do you think of this flying vehicle, Morty? I built it out of stuff I found in the garage.
Yeah, Rick, it's great. Is this the surprise?
Morty, I had to make a bomb, Morty. I had to create a bomb.
What? A bomb?
We're gonna drop it down there and get a whole fresh start. Create a whole fresh start.
One of us will have to stay here and operate it manually.
Well...
No, you're right. It was a dick move for me to even pause like that. This is all my fault. You go on.
What the hell is that?
E. coli outbreak. Hurry! Wait, there is an autopilot. Wait! Okay, never mind. I wanted to sacrifice myself anyway!
They're chewing through the doors!
Oh, coming this summer. Two brothers in a van, and then a meteor hit, and they ran as fast as they could from giant cat monsters, and then a giant tornado came, and that's when things got knocked into 12th gear. A Mexican armada shows up with weapons made from tomatoes. And you better bet your bottom dollar that these two brothers know how to handle business. In Alien Invasion Tomato Monster Mexican Armada brothers, who are just regular brothers running in a van from an asteroid and all sorts of things, the movie. Hold on, there's more. Old women are coming, and they're also in the movie, and they're gonna come and cross-attack these two brothers. But let's get back to the brothers, because they have a strong bond. You don't want to know about it here, but I'll tell you one thing. The moon, it comes crashing into Earth, and what do you do then? It's two brothers, and they're gonna, it's called Two Brothers. Two Brothers.
Oh no, I'm late to class, bitch. Oh no, I'm not wearing any pants.
Mr. Terry, why don't you tell the whole class the proper wordplay to use when one is chasing one's victim through a pumpkin patch?
Oh, bitch.
Oh, come on, Terry. You can't think of a pun involving pumpkins, bitch?
Hey, leave him alone! Yeah, this is a bunch of bull crap. Who cares what stupid pun you make when you kill someone? Why don't you let the poor guy say whatever he wants?
Well, I see no reason to stand here and take this.
The Clark Zone is for flarping and unflarping only.
So I told him, give me the Blemfarks, you know, this guy doesn't understand interstellar currents.
It's like, I'm trying to eat a flim flam. It's like, that's what we eat on Gerber.
The Clark Zone is for flarping and unflarping only.
I don't like it here, Morty. I can't abide bureaucracy. I don't like being told where to go and what to do. I consider it a violation. Did you get those seeds all the way up your butt?
Yeah, Rick. Let's just get this over with, okay? I mean, these things are pointy. They hurt.
That means they're good ones. You're a good kid, Morty. Those mega seeds are super valuable to my work. You've been a huge help to me. I'm gonna be able to do all kinds of things with them. It's gonna be great, Morty. All kinds of science.
Okay, next through. Except you go over there.
Why does he have to go over there?
Random check. He's got to go through the new machine.
What new machine?
It's a new machine. It detects stuff all the way up your butt.
Wheat Thins. Wheat Thins?
I'll take 2.
Oh, I think you've had enough, sir.
You don't know me.
All right, Morty, time to make our move.
Make it bounce.
No, you didn't.
Oh, jiggle it now.
You better stop with that.
Allah Akbar! We're gonna take control of this plane. We're gonna 9/11 it unless Morty Smith gets better grades in math. Hey, I said nobody move, buddy.
The name's not Buddy. It's Golden Fold. Nice to meet you.
Take cover, Morty!
You're doing great, Morty.
Really, you think? I mean, I'm not doing much of anything. What do I do if it cries?
Then you put it down and let it cry itself out.
Yeah,
Right. We tried that technique on Summer, and she's gonna end up stripping. Isn't she? Yes, she is. She's gonna strip for attention because she was denied it.
Stop filling it with your own insecurity. You're gonna turn it into more, more of you.
Well, we can't all be raised like reptiles by a mentally ill scientist.
What the
Listen to me. I am not rewarding this behavior.
Knock it off, both of you! Give me him! Give me my baby! You're both nuts! I'm gonna raise Morty Jr. myself!
Where's your hands? There's your hands, and that's how we play handy hands.
Oh, you are going to ruin that kid, Morty.
At least we can agree.
Morty, do it! Hit the button now!
I can't do it, Rick! They're my parents and sister!
Morty, I already told you, it's not your family. They're clones from an alternate reality possessed by demonic alien spirits from another dimension's future. Do you need a mnemonic device or something? Just hit the button already!
Morty, please. I love you, sweetheart.
Good work, Morty. You know, these demonic alien spirits are really valuable. You okay, Morty? I told you not to trust that tuna.
I just killed my family! I don't care what they were!
I don't know, Morty. Some people would pay top dollar for that kind of breakthrough.
You know what, Rick? That's it! I'm done with these insane adventures! That was really traumatizing! I quit! I'm out! Whoa.
Mortimer Smith Jr., New York Times best-selling author. Your book is about innocence, the definition of it, and inevitably, its impossibility. Is it autobiographical?
Certainly. I mean, all writing is, in my opinion, but my father kept me locked in the house until I was a teenager. And there was violence and threats of poison gas, but also dancing.
But you persevered and created this masterpiece from your suffering. Smith Jr.'s mind-bending novel, My Horrible Father, in every store and on everyone's mind. Pick it up. We'll be right back.
It's a thankless job, Morty. You did the best you could.
I had sex with Billy. But you were already pregnant. Yeah, so what's the worst that could happen?
We interrupt pregnant baby with breaking news.
Oh, come on.
This just in. Morty Smith's whereabouts are still unknown.
What the hell?
The only thing that is known is how cute he is.
I love him so much, I want to make love to him and then eat his head.
I love him more than you do, Harold.
You wish, you stupid bitch!
Morty's mine!
Morty's mine!
Meant to be together!
Where is Morty?
Man, woman, and now trunk men? We know science has created men that have a trunk that allows them to have sex with both male and female partners. But we don't like the idea of these people getting married. Put a line in the sand, everybody. People, vote no on Proposition XW2.
The act that says trunk people could get married. Who needs it?
Have you acquired creepy, specific old stuff from a mysterious antique or thrift store that gives you powers but fucks with you in unforeseeable ways? Bring it to Curse Purge Plus. I use science to uncurse the items for cash, and you get to keep the powers. This guy got mysterious sneakers to make him run faster, but guess what? He would have had to run until he died, making them worthless. I removed the curse, making them worth like, I don't know, $8 million? See you at the Olympics. This eerily intelligent doll was threatening to murder its family. Now it does their taxes.
Everything's deductible.
Don't pay for cool stuff with your soul. Pay for it with money. You know, like how every other store in the world works. We're located at 1st and Main in Old Town. Come on down.
First and...
Wubba lubba dub. Wubba lubba dub dub. Where you can get evil items for free.
Diabolical son of a mother.
Hey, bro. Nice racket you got going on here. Listen, I'm Rick Sanchez from Earth Dimension C-137. Don't mean you any harm. Coming in peace. It's all cool in the, good in the neighborhood is what I was trying to is what I meant. Oh, I get it. The old behind every great man Amazon twist.
Silence! Your slave is ill-mannered.
My slave?
We assume you are from a more primitive world, where men are still permitted to be servants. If he is a rogue male, tell us now, and we will kill him.
He's my slave. He's my slave. He's definitely my slave.
Oh, boy. What's the opposite of wubba lubba dub dubs? Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
You guys kidding me? Bring up the holograms! 27 Ricks brutally murdered in their own timelines. An unprecedented rickocidal epidemic. What say you, Earth Rick C-137? You think I did this? Why am I the first Rick you pull in every time a Rick stubs his toe? You have a history of non-cooperation with the Council. Yeah, so does the scientist formerly known as Rick. Why isn't he here in handcuffs? Because he's dead too!
Hey, what the hell?
Ooh, that's why you never invite a floopy doop and a schmoopy doop to the same party.
Oh, God, oh, that's disgusting. You guys are in my parents' bed.
Oh, sorry. I'm not feeling too well. I just needed to lie down for a bit.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
The thing people don't realize about the Gear Wars is that it was never really about the gears at all.
Yeah, no, totally.
Rick, you gotta stop.
Morty, have you met Gearhead?
Hey, how's...
Morty here? He would love to hear all about
something like this. It's a travesty.
I did. You see this knife and all the blood on it? Here's my fingerprints.
Guilty. I sentence you to life in prison.
Here's another quick mystery.
My mother's dead.
And I killed her. Here's the weapon, and cuff me, thank you very much.
Guilty. Sentenced to murder.
Here's another.
I'm the killer.
Oh, wow, that one was really quick, wasn't it?
God, sir, they're still naked.
Well, check every 5 quintons and tell me when they're not.
I think we should make Kevin look, sir.
What? No. Why would you even say that?
Sir, we have a situation over here.
If there's a wiener on that monitor, I swear to God, Stu.
Something is drawing a lot of processing power. Oh, wait, no wonder. There's another real human in the simulator.
Okay, Jerry. Big pitch meeting. Take a break time. You can do this.
How did this happen? Where's the abductions department?
Hey man, abductions just follows the acquisition order.
Don't put this on acquisitions! We only acquire humans that haven't been simulated!
Well, simulations doesn't simulate anybody that's been abducted, so...
Oh, I see. Oh, it was no one's fault. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Well then, problem solved. Oh wait, no, there's still another human in here! Who is he?
Rick's son-in-law, Jerry Smith. So far, he hasn't noticed he's in a simulation.
Well, cap his sector at 5% processing, keep his settings on auto, and we'll deal with him later. Rick Sanchez is the target.
Tell me, Rick, what do you desire?
I make my own stuff. So what are you, like the devil?
What? Sorry?
I don't know. Store comes out of nowhere. All the shit's old and creepy. Are you the devil? A demon? Leprechaun?
Grandpa Rick!
Hey, I'm not judging. Just like to shoot straight. I'm a man of science.
Then perhaps you could make use of this. This microscope reveals things beyond comprehension.
Grandpa, go home and drink.
They get a little hairy. What do you want to do, boss?
Come on, hurry! Behind this cookie jar!
5, 4, 4.
Just give up, Morty. It's game over. I'll take us home right now. You just say the word.
No way, Rick! This is all part of it! Adventures have conflict! Deal with it!
I smell the blood of...
Holy crap!
Boy. He looks pretty bad down there, Morty. Looks like he's bleeding out.
Oh, Jesus, Dale! You sons of bitches!
Oh, man!
Hello, 911. My husband has been attacked by tiny people. He's dying!
Hey, look, we get it. You're little, you're down on your luck, you think, hey, he's a giant. Why don't we break into his home, rob him, and murder him?
But that's not how it went down!
Oh, well, it's going down like that. You're both going down like that.
Ooh, boy, Morty, you're really showing me how it's done.
How about we use a ping pong ball for Pluto, and then Jupiter...
Actually, I don't think Pluto's a planet.
Of course Pluto's a planet, son. I learned that in the 3rd grade.
Well, yeah, but, you know, they changed it.
Morty, nobody changed the planets.
I just Googled it. Pluto's not a planet. They changed it in 2006.
Yeah, I heard about that, Morty. and I disagree.
You disagree?
That's right. It's possible to disagree in science, Morty. Pluto was a planet. Some committee of fancy assholes disagree. I disagree back. Give me a ping pong ball.
Okay. I just have to...
Go find Rick and go over my head about Pluto?
No, jeez, I just gotta go to the bathroom. Damn.
And the Cronenbergs walking around down there, Morty. At least they're not in love with you anymore, though. It's a huge step in the right direction.
Oh my god, it's a living nightmare. How could you be so irresponsible, Rick?
Me irresponsible? All I wanted you to do was hand me a screwdriver, Morty. You're the one who wanted me to buckle down and make you up a roofie juice serum so you could roofie that poor girl at your school. I mean, are you kidding me, Morty? You're gonna try to take the high road on this one? You're a little creep, Morty. You're just a little creepy creep person.
All right, fine. I should have just listened to you when you refused to make the serum. I'm willing to accept my part of the blame for this, Rick, but I'll tell you something, you know what? You gotta accept your part of the blame. I'm not the one who fouled up the serum. I'm not the one who haphazardly, mixed a bunch of nonsense together and created a bunch of Cronenbergs. You gotta fix this, Rick.
All right, Morty. We are in a pretty deep hole here, but I do have one emergency solution that I can use that'll kind of put everything back to normal, relatively speaking. Here, Morty, put this on while I do a little bit of scouting.
Oh.
Draw me, Jerry.
Oh, boy. Lucy, wow. This isn't what I had in mind.
But it's the perfect moment. We've been dreaming about this for 16 years.
Well, not like this. Not with you.
You're gonna draw me. Then you're going to fuck me in that car over there.
Hey, do we have to wear these things?
Do you know why you're special, Adam?
Because I am the traveler.
Yes. You will be the one to pass through the door. You will be the one to end our pain.
But, Mother, what about my pain?
Your pain shall set us free. It is time to begin. Again. Again. You are not ready.
Please, Mother.
Do you think he will show you mercy like he did to us? Again!
Does anyone need anything?
Does Nimbus need anything?
Holy shit!
Don't judge. We're growing as a couple.
Why is this happening to me?
For the future!
You dare assassinate Nimbus?
Sorry, wait. Who is that? Get in line, pal.
Such a waste.
Mother?
Oh shit, decoy family.
I think Jab was still outside. What's a decoy family?
Hard concept, Morty. Hard concept. I've never really cracked it, if I'm being honest. Decided it was maybe better as a kind of kinetic mislead for another special episode.
Oh, cool.
We now return to When Wolf.
Whoa, a time-traveling wolf? Count me in.
Yeah, I never thought of the where and werewolf, like who, what, when, and where. Clever wordplay.
When Wolf. Dracula, you know why I'm here. I'm safe here, Ian. Christianity hasn't been invented yet. Crosses are just baby teas to me now. I got out. Please, don't invite me back in.
Huh, kind of mucked it up with this Dracula stuff.
You're right. It shows a lack of faith in their core concept. I'd much rather watch Wenwolf go to the 20s and invest in the stock market, but then eat people.
Yeah.
Fuck love.
Fuck love.
All right, time to set the rules.
Lay it on me.
No whining.
Done.
No crying.
As if.
And absolutely, positively no getting attached. We're here to smash Mac's ass. Quantity over quality. Deal?
Deal. I'm gonna eat so much ass, you're gonna shit. Check this out. This is gonna be at the party. Oh, is that another ass? Don't mind if I...
Oh, this will be me across the room. Excuse me, miss. It appears that you have an uneaten ass. Allow me.
Fucking supernova party!
Space sperm? Jesus, how big are space dicks?
Same page club.
Well, Mr. President, the theory of cosmic DNA has been around for decades. Chupacabras, Yeti, Stonehenge, ancient Rome. Are these all myths, monsters, legends, or different names for sperm from outer space?
I'll tell you what I think, Sanchez. I think either you caused this mess, or it's those godforsaken horse people that dwell underground.
Chuds.
That's them. Oh, if they're behind this, so help me God. Morty, you've always been a straight shooter.
You can't prove that! Wait, what? Oh, right.
I can protect you, little man. Blow that whistle. Toot, toot. Is this your grandpa's fault?
Here's what I know, sir. This is the greatest country on Earth. It invented apple pies and lasers.
Keep talking.
And that sperm, we don't know nothing about it.
Then the Chuds just got themselves a war, and you just dodged a personal drone strike.
Hello, sorry I'm late.
This is Professor Shabubu, the world's leading expert on sperm. Thanks for getting here so fast.
My schedule was wide open. I have been tracking our new sperm friends since their arrival. If my calculations are correct, they have gathered here.
Why would the sperm go to the Grand Canyon? Why are you looking at me like the answer is obvious? Oh, you can't be serious. Are we in middle school? You think sperm are instinctively heading for America's...
Don't high road us, lady. It's where they went.
Booyah much?
Da bow bow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The moon. Beautiful. The sun. Even more beautiful. Bow bow. Oh yeah. Bow bow. Oh yeah. Bow bow.
Beth!
Bow bow.
I thought you were birthing horses.
Yeah, they're horses. It takes like 2 minutes.
All right, that's unbelievable. Let's give it up for our next singer, Jerry. Jerry's
How
here.
long have you been here?
Long enough to see Guys' Night is clearly you and a bunch of demon people making fun of my husband without him knowing it.
Okay, but I'm not doing it because I enjoy it, honey. These guys can do a lot of damage if you...
Enjoying punching down. You're not so cool yourself, you know. You have pens in your head. You look like a goddamn idiot.
I am selling New York to France and giving all of the money to Congress.
Now that's how you do it?
He became president today. Oh, goodness. That's right, murmur. And when you're done, get me some pants.
If you're the president, who the hell have we been governing the country with for the last 3 hours?
An imposter, you good-for-nothing idiot! You humanized the wrong turkey! It's possible. We shouldn't leave anything to chance. Wouldn't want Congress working with the wrong president.
A very good point, Mr. President. Do we believe this fine, feathered, collaborative gentleman to be our commander-in-chief? Or are we gonna let Mr. Cashbar at the Christmas party stay in office? All in favor of turkey president.
You can't be serious. You think he cares about America? Is that why this is happening to you? Because you cared about America? Guards, these men are... what is the word? Terrorists.
Okay, screw this. Go, Sanchez laser fists! Oh shit, I was a turkey for a while, wasn't I? Okay, guys, pretty strong.
Rick invited 5 versions of our family from different universes, each with incomplete Gotrons. I didn't have anyone to talk to since the other 4 Mortys had been to Boob World. Did you walk on the beach? The beach that's all boobs? No, the beach that's all sand. Yes, the boob one! Rick was in the garage with the heads of the 5 families. And Summer.
In that first sit-down, it was Big Fat Rick, Ricardo Montoya, Hothead Rick, he got that name because he was prone to dramatic outbursts, and Lil Ricky Wrap-It-Up, who was always great at the end of a meeting. At the head of it all, me and Grandpa Rick.
Don't get me wrong, C-137. We're happy for your good fortune, but we did not travel to your universe just to have it rubbed in our faces. Come on, Big Fat Rick. You know your face is too small to rub anything on. My face is the same size as yours. Wow, huh? Hold on. I'll be damned. You're so fat, you're an optical illusion. Summer, give him the pitch.
We're offering to help each of your families complete their full Gotrons. In exchange for some concessions.
Ever since I was a little boy in the slums, I have dreamed of having a complete Gotron. But concessions? I hope you mean the kind from a counter. I hope she means ice cream. We'd like you to relocate your families to this universe and let me make some modifications to the Gotrons in the interest of us all working together. Want to know what I think? Sure, Hothead Rick. Just don't unexpectedly fly off the handle. I think you guys got a lot of nerve acting better than us. This is the family that made a giant incest baby. Had the government launch it into space. It's still floating around out there somewhere. Are we ever gonna live that down? If I get a full Gotron, it won't be by kissing your ass. It'll be by taking what's mine. Yours.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Interior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell.
For real, that shit was cash.
Here he is. This rat was skimming your crystal harvest and sending it to a spaceman named Rick Sanchez.
Bastard! Screw Rick, kick his dick, yeah, right? But me and Nick here, we put a stop to that.
The people of Kuntak, thank you.
He's a bad guy, right? You're gonna bring him to justice?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, but pleasure doing business.
Not so fast, Morty. We're not leaving until we get what we came for.
Funny, I'm prepared too.
So, hey, look, what we want is portal fluid as our thanks.
Portal fluid? You think I'd live in a lizard mine if I had portal fluid?
Right, okay. Or we could just kill you for it.
He's kidding. He's the portal boys only kill with kindness.
And with guns.
Oh, no. Oh, no, I'm not the one shooting.
Kill them!
I'm sorry. Stop. Stop. They're unarmed.
Ah, what the fuck? Morty! Morty!
I'm looking for Crow Scare. The Scarecrow? The evil Scarecrow? Come on, whoever gives him up first lives. Fine, I can kill an extra asshole. Helps me get my steps in.
Rick!
Morty?
What?
Morty, why are you now like 40?
That's how long it's been, Rick.
Oh, I guess we can have a drink together then.
Do you have a rum and coke?
What are you, 20?
Oh, bless your heart.
Time be going by, don't she?
That's your reaction to finding out you wasted your entire life?
I feel okay.
Well, what about me?
Whoa. Excuse us, boys. You don't want to be here for this.
I thought if I gave you enough space, you'd outgrow this phase.
Here's your drink, poser.
Dad got sick, you know, stage 4. You would have loved it. Summer's a nurse. Well, pretty much a nurse. She married a junkie. Rick, come home while we still got a little time.
Morty, what we had wasn't healthy.
And this is? You've had 1,000 adventures with these crows. When are you gonna kill their big bad?
First off, the will they, kill they is everything to my guys. And second, fuck you for trying to undermine my happiness.
This may be the last time you ever lay eyes on me.
I hope that's not true, Morty. Because you look like shit, and this is not how I want to remember you.
Hey, buddy. Brought you a coffee.
I can synthesize coffee. You don't need to make excuses to
Yeah,
come
I
see
need to
me.
say that, so I didn't even bring a cup. Any progress?
Yes, Morty. I found the version of me that killed my wife. You just missed it.
Okay, I get it.
I had a big sword fight with him on top of Hoover Dam. He fell and landed on a sharp spike, and then whispered, "Thank you," like a werewolf.
I was asking to be polite. The family wants you upstairs to deal with Mr. Poopy Butthole.
It's finally time, huh? Well, lucky for you guys, I know how to make someone leave. Family, I present to you Robo-Ghost!
Your plan is to scare him away?
I'm listening.
Assembling body. Activating extensions. Uploading business. Unfinished business detected. Terminating body.
Okay, I need to make gravity part of its finished business and leave floors unfinished.
Beautiful day to be carrying glass, huh?
I can't believe a dying kid would wish for a window.
Hey, stop them! They stole our crystal! Yeah, we stole those first!
possession is 9/10 of my ass!
Look at this pancake butt.
Stop! You're gonna make me fart!
Hey, that's for sipping!
So are my balls! Here's a tip, lady. Life tastes better when you're chugging! You were in a tree? Really gambled on this escape route.
Says the guy with a goon on his back!
Forget it, Burger! It's our calling card! Oh, really called that one.
One of us always gets shot.
Before we move off this topic, can I ask if you're currently a hologram?
Yeah, hold on. 1 sec. Left a bag of Funyuns down there last week. Didn't want to waste our time. Okay, let's do it. Therapy me.
Do you need to take that?
No, just the president.
Maybe we should turn off the phone.
President of the United States? Thought you might think that was cool.
You like it when people think you're cool?
You're extra analytical today. Looking to remodel your kitchen?
Sanchez, I know you're in there. When I call you directly, it's an emergency.
I was in therapy. Don't stigmatize mental health.
How rude of me. Hello, I'm President Andre
Yes,
Curtis.
I recognize you.
Oh, how nice.
It's not nice to recognize a president. Can we go?
In 1961, the CIA secretly relocated the Loch Ness Monster to Lake Erie and replaced her bones with titanium. She was then bit by several werewolves, giving us the ultimate anti-submarine weapon.
Got it.
But the Soviets smuggled in a leprechaun who turned Nessie's bones to silver, giving her the were version of AIDS. She sank to the bottom, and we assumed she was dead, but she was only asleep. Now she's awake and hungry.
You can't date my shrink.
What? Bro, you're not.
And don't date my shrink.
I'm not dating your shrink. She probably doesn't even like me.
Stand down, Sanchez!
Tell him to stand down. Would you let him bang your therapist?
I don't believe in therapy.
What the hell does that even mean? You don't believe in it.
He's a Scientologist.
Don't date my shrink. And don't be a space Mormon.
Why not?
It's silly. Sorry. It's a cheap shot. Worship how you want. I like Tom Cruise.
Thank you.
Therapy's working.
Keep it in your pants.
So we were eating people.
I'm afraid so.
They were so spaghetti-esque.
Yes, they were.
It's going to be hard to
put out of your mind, yes. Which is why I thought it best to keep you all in the dark.
So Morty ruined spaghetti night.
Correct.
Summer, it was people.
It was people, Summer, which is disgusting and not cool to lie about.
Correct. But it should also be noted to Morty that it's not cool to tattle.
Dad!
They were delicious!
So keep eating them!
We can't now!
Because of you!
Sorry. Morty, that was terrible parenting. You did the quote-unquote right thing. We are technically very happy to be better informed.
First octopus, now this. Have we thought about just giving up and joining the fascist half of the country?
No!
Just saying they get to do more.
Well, I guess I'll go to my room, since everyone hates me now.
Oh, sorry. Good night, Morty.
Good night, Morty.
Good night, Morty.
Hey, big boy. Are you depressed? Oh, Mama likes depression. Oopsie, I spilled my milk. Now we're both sad. I'm a bad family therapist farm girl.
Hello, Morty Smith. You are invited to 41 Kepler B. You know it as Spaghetti Planet. You're not in trouble. We just want to talk.
Can that thing support my weight?
It should.
Okay. Up here. Jeez. Ever heard of a ramp?
This is a ramp.
Uh-huh.
It works! Now we can visit infinite universes!
But doesn't that mean infinite other families can do the same?
Buddy, infinite families don't invent the world's first. It works! Oh, do you realize how free and empowered I just made us? I did it! Best father ever!
the horrors of the infinite today, sir?
Just another day in paradise.
Solid 70% of these are bullshit.
Oh, quit your bitching and do the audit. I got nothing to hide.
All right, Observer, give me truth or dare. Christ, these names, Morty.
It's shorthand.
I have observed it. Now gaze upon me, and so shall you.
2 attack patterns and a giant glowing weak spot. Legend of Zelda tutorial-ass bullshit.
I thought it was kind of fun.
Halt, unidentified adventurers.
We are the guardians of this sanctuary. One of us tells only truths, the other only lies.
You ever fuck this guy's wife?
Yes. Well, how about that? He guessed right.
I forgive you.
Oh, shit.
All right, next room.
No, I want to watch.
Did you see how one of them lied?
Fine, I'll call that one legit. I'm not here to nitpick, I'm here to find blatant fraud. Okay, show me late night Western. Morty. Take me. Oh, I want to go Western bacon. Morty, Western bacon now. Oh, yeah.
Before you say anything...
I knew it! Busted!
You're banned from that Carl's Jr.
It doesn't make the drive-thru an adventure, Morty. Invalid.
Sounds like it's anyone's game.
Well, no, it's not a bet. It's an audit.
Observer, show us maximum overdrive with clothes.
At least this is better than cars. Cars can run you over. Okay, no, this is worse.
Boom! Adventure! Suck it!
All right, fine. How about Whistling Dixie? Whistler, what do you got to tag and bag these bastards?
Made this little puppy after I bagged my first necrophiliac. Double action triggers pumping out 1,400 kilos of holy water per square inch. This old girl's got dry-aged Sicilian garlic expelling out at 3,200 feet per second. It's swallowed by 5,200 solar joules of raw ultraviolet.
Yeah.
And she's only getting started. I'm talking crucifix-shaped Chinese stars, mirror-tipped wooden stakes, and a... Hello, guys?
Morty, that was just an old man rambling at us.
People died!
So by your logic, 9/11 was an adventure? Tweet it, see who agrees.
Very well. Bear witness to 9/11.
No! Dude, don't. Just, you need to let us throw to the stuff, okay? What's next? What the hell is leg day? Hey, look, Morty! I'm a leg! A leg, Morty! I'm Leg Rick! Okay, I'll give you that last one.
What? I mean, I'll take it, but...
Hey, Morty, check this out.
That's clearly unlicensed.
License this.
Wait, what are you doing?
Hey, Smith, you look hungry. How about some knuckle pie?
Open your... Open...
There he is, man of the hour.
How is our big boy?
Finally stable. Should be ready for transplant in a few hours.
Good.
Open your mind.
Why do I do it? Quados have always had a revolutionary spirit, and there's nothing more revolutionary than me being rich. You think anyone in that VIP section was born a Quado? You're a rare breed, Morty, and we're gonna put you on someone who values that.
Where is she?
She paid me, man! She used the taxi app! I make less than minimum wage and I got 5 kids!
Sorry, man. I guess I got really excited to beat someone up for information. Where'd you take her?
Come on now!
Where is she?
She just ordered a drink! I spent a long time mixing it! She didn't even tip!
Shit, sorry. Wrong guy again. Thought I'd be better at this.
Whatever you say, man, just don't hit me again!
Who'd she leave with? Where is she?
I'll never tell you!
Oh, okay. You actually know?
Wait, isn't that why you're punching me?
It is now! What did you do to her? Where is she?
Shit, man, right there!
Grandpa?
Nice try.
How dare you!
How dare you!
Shit, I
think when we started getting it on, that amulet showed us the truth of our origins.
Father!
Hell yeah, we're into the same sick shit, huh?
No, my father, he's here! What's that?
Emperor Dreadnought.
The fate of the Alphabetrians is at hand. Magma Q's legacy ends here.
How the fuck did he find us?
Betrayal revealed. You appear displeased to see me, Prince Walter T.
Cold-ass motherfucker, you in league with Dreadnought? How could you do us letters dirty like that, S?
My true name is not S. On Mamericonia, they call me Aid.
Hey! Oh my god, he's a number? Did you know? I didn't. Holy shit, I'm not even supposed to be here today. It's my day off, for real. That's how much I like working with these people.
What in the mighty whale's wooden cock?
The old man. He's some kind of witch.
A friend of yours?
What? Well, why would I be friends with a witch?
I was just asking.
Well, that's really offensive, man. What is this, Judgment Holla?
I don't know until I ask, all right?
Somebody around here gonna make me some pants, or do I have to call the feds on this place?
Surrender, witch!
Easy, guys. This was all a test and you passed. I'm actually Odin.
Odin?
Yep, Thor's father, Spider-Man's uncle, etc. I came here to do like an undercover boss thing, making sure Valhalla's running smooth, which it is. And as your reward, I'm assembling this majestic trans-dimensional energy relay, which none of you should ever touch, or it'll make your goats have hemorrhoids. Understood?
And you need nothing from us.
I'm only here for a few hours, but since you're asking, I'd kill for a beer and a sandwich. Beef, cheese, no onions. Is someone writing this down?
Balls! Oh, my balls! Oh, my balls!
Morty? Why are you here?
You are friends with a witch!
What the fuck, Morty? You're my ride home!
Bigfoot killed me! He killed you, he killed me, and he was going to kill your clone!
Oh, no, Morty, no!
I opened the cage! Bigfoot was burying your body! He was mourning you!
He does that! Morty, any big idiot can pretend to believe in the afterlife. That's why we're dealing with these fucking guys. They're just Norwegian Bigfoots. Jesus Christ, run this cable over there. We don't have much time.
A carnival guy!
Oh, so he gets a kickback.
Hi, welcome to the hole. Here's how it works. You jump in, the hole manifests your greatest fear. You conquer that fear and come out, well, fearless. And you get your picture on the wall. What does the hole get out of it? Well, you know those fish that nibble dead skin off your feet? Yeah, the hole's kind of like that. It eats fear. You win, it wins. Have fun and enjoy the hole.
Hey, Gaddafi, cool your jets with a taste of Mountain Dew.
This has been here since VHS tapes, and there's only 3 photos?
Yeah, my tots are getting cold.
So you don't want to do it?
Do you?
I mean, it says it takes away your greatest fear.
My greatest fear, Morty, is trusting a gross hole to conquer my fear. And I conquer that fear by walking away.
Okay, fine.
You little turd!
Oh, God!
Still will I stop you with maggots!
Okay, the whole